Hey, Smiles. You like that water? First swim?
That's where the heat's coming out.
Very first one.
Is it really? No way.
The Aunt Jackie's pool.
No.
Don't step off yet, bud.
Dad.
You ready to dunk? Ready?
Here we go.
1,
Dipsy do dunkaroo.
3.
Woohoo! What do we think of that?
Did you see him with a good smile and I just dunked it?
All of a sudden, he's not smiling.
Over here.
Becky says it's okay.
Okay, if I punch you, I'm sorry. Here we go. Oh, it feet underwater. Oh no! What breath?